Miller. Mir started 6th. He's in 6th place right now. No way through for Miller on Rins down to Renier going through on Jack Miller. Dobby's made up 5 places. He's up ahead of Alex Marquez. He's in 8th place. And perfect starting out by Rins on this very corner on lap 1 last year. It's close between his teammate Fabio Quartararo clear on the Aragon race. Blitz Vinales has a clear advantage heading down the back straight for the first time. Based on the rhythm that we've seen from Mavericks out of the 2020 season, full stop. Really stretching his legs early on here. Mir trying to find a way through on the Ducati of China. That much so. Sensational first lap of Vinales. He leads by 7/10 of a second. Incredible first lap as well. Alex Marquez, who pinches a spot there on the brakes on Andrea Dovizioso in the turn 1. Great move by the Moto2 champ. Cal Crutchlow got off and he lapped Cal Crutchlow, number 35. So a lot of work for him to do. He's behind Aleix Espargaro. Did he look what happened yesterday? In qualifying. Different ball game though in the race. Vinales then. Still looking comfortable at the front of this Ducati of Jack Miller. Quartararo's trying to take some chunks out of Vinales and was a bit heavy on the brakes down in Q2, as he did for the first time yesterday. Was that Mir lining up Miller coming down the hill into turn 12? Looked like it. Monster Energy Yamaha. Just behind him, Quartararo. Here's Jack Miller then. Mir has got to try and find a way through. This Dovizioso fights back on Marquez. Up the inside of Alex Marquez. Runs in hot low and Alex Marquez says, Marquez, good stuff from Alex Rins there. Then he moves up into 3rd place. And we've said it time and time again, you just never know to see the start replay, to see the launch that Rins got, because he judged it to absolute perfection. Absolutely incredible questions here of Fabio Quartararo. Quartararo is taking a couple of tenths out of the gated disaster. He said yesterday speed in this place was unacceptable for a future factory Ducati rider, and that does compound in place. It's a very dejected figure. You can see the frustration written all over the face of Pecco Bagnaia. A raging battle here between 2 Honda men, Nakagami and Alex Marquez, who's disposed of Dobby and is now closing knowledge from Quartararo, from Rins, Morbidelli and Mir. Mir's finally got Miller. Barcelona's at the back of his mind, where he pushed so hard at the start of the race and then just burned up that rear tyre. Rear grip fell off his front medium tyre option as well. Maybe just waiting a couple of laps to get some heat in. Rins just swarming all over the rear tyre here. Simon, you've got some thoughts on Jack Miller. What do you think? I have, because if watch they do indeed drop off and deteriorate towards the last few laps. Maverick Vinales then looking back at Quartararo. And here's Rins. He's through and he leads. Brilliantly done by the Suzuki man. And Joan Mir is close very shortly. Alex Rins, when he hit the front in the Red Bull ring, crashed a couple of corners later, didn't he? So far, it's quicker than the 2 out front at the moment. The Repsol Honda rider there has disposed of the World Championships here. Vinales just was out a little bit wide, wasn't he? And look at the grip that they had on there. That's right, so many times. That's been really problematic for Fabio Quartararo pretty much from the first lap onwards. He's at this moment in time. Morbidelli's 4th ahead of Alex Marquez. You do wonder, don't you, how much tyre Alex Marquez Quartararo. There is a 1-second gap back to Nakagami in 7th place. For Barcelona, Suzuki had to wait 13. Is Morbidelli yet another victory of the hard-charging Spaniard? He certainly is. His ability to be able to turn that way. Alex Marquez again, a 48.9. The only rider in the 48s. Well, we talked about how Spanish talent dominator. And Alex Marquez, who's having the ride of his life in the drying MotoGP, even though he caught left, look at that, he absolutely nailed it. And he went round the outside as well, which is pretty brave. Fantastic effort. Yeah, we've seen also. It's cost them dearly into turn 1. Absolutely sensational launch off the line there by Alex Rins, the Suzuki. What happened there? He's going to get him on the brakes in turn 12, or he's not going to be quite close enough. No, he's not. Quartararo, he's away. Quartararo cannot hold the line. He cannot hold the place in the top 8. See, he's got big bother here. 149. That's his best lap of the race so far. Yeah, and here comes Jack Miller. In the meantime, out front, fastest man as Dobby did get him. Quartararo will do well, not just hang on to the top 10. He might be pushed out of the points here, you know. That's on the number 20 as well. Will he be able to do it into turn 1? Not on this occasion. How he got the ride because of his superstar sibling pulling strings inside HRC. Marquez coming into that territory soon now, and there's Vinales, then he loses another place, and it's a Suzuki 1-2. They're side by side on the exit. Okay, over Maverick Vinales, and surely he'll go through. He does. It's a Suzuki 1-2. The Yamaha just cannot hold the line, can it? Back in Severa. He might have knocked it off the wall by now. He'll be jumping around the living room for joy, watching his younger brother Alex in trouble. 10 laps to go. This is where Vinales hit on the last year in the race. Yeah, you just wonder as well. I mean, this has been an outrageous 10 laps remain. Suzuki, Repsol Honda. Alex Marquez, how much has he put through that soft rear tyre on his charge from 11th place on the grid? Further back, Quartararo experience this for Fabio Quartararo in more ways than one. Binder's now through him. Is he about to obstacle base? It's a fast-flying, very physical circuit, this Motorland Aragon. He's bashed both of those hips, hasn't he, so far? This Miko's going to pick him off here now. It was a 151.8 from Fabio Quartararo. 3 or 4 laps, we said. He cannot do anything with it. He just cannot stay on the circuit. It's incredible. And Maverick Vinales is in Fabio Quartararo's problems right now. Is it more tired than physical? Alright, he's got Oliveira, Alacuona, and Broll behind him. He could be in 18th spot very, very soon. You know, he's wasted a couple of big opportunities so far this year. One being last weekend in Le Mans. But he not made that mistake. He was in the corner where you're going to see Alex Marquez try and go through on the inside. Here he goes. Through he goes. Like a hot knife through butter. He's got Marc Marquez has won here the last 3 years. Alex Marquez. Father Julian, well, he can barely watch. The younger Marquez brother. Truly remarkable. Well, stop to him. World class from the Moto2 world champion. What's the pistol behind him is on his side. I'm going to say Rins does not look like making money, and from an unlikely source. In the 73 Repsol Honda of Alex Marquez, he would not have been expecting this Alex Rins today when they were teammates at Astrolic Elite Honda. Not a lot of love lost at all. 5 laps to go. Twitch there by Rins, outrageous. I mean, not that Alex Marquez needs any incentive whatsoever to try and win his first motor. A little bit more, doesn't it? The gap's 3 tenths at the moment. The gap will be 0.1 by the time they come around. The medium front tyre choice might be a Marquez masterstroke here, because he's got that lead. At the moment, you've got to say Mir struggling to get back on par with the 2 men ahead of him. It's happened to Fabio Quartararo. He's having a wretched day. Quartararo outside the points in 17th place. Mir might be the championship contenders, that's all. The 2 fastest men. Nakagami was also late on in Barcelona when everybody's tyres were dropping off a cliff. He came on really, really strong, worming, screaming for grip as he got on the gas coming through turn 11. So he's definitely used up a lot of that soft rear tyre, but wide on entry there from Alex Rins. Alex Marquez will round off turn 15 and get on the gas. Will he, when we come around next time, World Championship leader Fabio Quartararo at the moment isn't well, and it's Alex versus Alex. Rins versus Marquez with 2 to go in Aragon. Who's going to be the winner? This is closing a bit. Antoine Mir. There are 2 laps remaining here in Aragon. Loving the shots of Brivio. And Papa spinning up a little bit, doesn't he? We are going to have an 8th different winner in MotoGP. They're going to take the 8th. Who's going to become the 8th different winner of 2020? Will it be Rins? Will it be Marquez? Could have got this one covered. Has he beaten, has he fended off the superb charge of Alex Marquez? Rins? He has a habit of springing a surprise when you least expect it. He did it last year at Silverstone with Marc Marquez, and now is he going to do it to land Aragon circuit? When you talk about home races, home soil, well, that certainly applies to this young man who's won. Do you know what? He'll only be 30 points, I think, down in the World Championship if he wins this, Alex Rins. Incredible. Great race. Another twist in the tail in MotoGP 2020. Surely, it's Alex 4 and 5. Alex Marquez has been really strong with that medium front tyre. There is your new MotoGP World Championship leader. Well, rather surprisingly. Now then, turn 7. Alex Marquez is starting to run out of time here. Alex Rins has got what about the advantage? Dropping down in Alex Marquez is just, you know where he's going to try it. Yet the last couple of corners. It's the only place the corners now for Alex Marquez. He's got to try and get close enough to get that slipstream on the Suzuki and then try and move up the inside line. There's 3 tenths between Mir and Vinales. There could yet be a twist in the tail for 3rd place. Now coming out of the final turn, it's all about the drop. Suzuki, has he done enough? Here comes Alex Marquez trying to get every ounce of slipstream. I don't think he's going to be close enough. It's Alex from Alex. Outstanding victory for Alex Rins here in Aragon. Ahead of Alex Marquez, who gets a drive. 5th place finish for him. Morbidelli 6th and Duffy in 7th. But what a ride from Alex Marquez, the rookie. Back-to-back board. Fabio Quartararo, who limps home in 18th place.